Artoonza.
All right, magic makers and glitter lovers. Did you know that a simple poppet can turn into a stunning magic tree?
Wow.
Well, today we're making it happen. With a little doodling, some crazy glitter storms, and one suspiciously naughty vacuum who does zero cleaning but maximum drama, we'll create pure magic. But wait, things are about to get wild. Give us a big thumbs up. We're bringing in funny syringes, acrylic paint, and maybe even some nail polish. Shh. Just don't tell my mom. No. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait. Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Red. Let's color together.
Aww,
Green.
so cute.
Orange. Yellow. Who knew syringes could be used for painting? Doctors, don't judge me. I'm curing boredom. Color. Give us your like. This is better. This is so amazing. Smash that like button now. Whee! Color. Oops! If anyone asks why there's nail polish everywhere, let's just say art happened. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.